Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in a Gmail. This is a fantastic way to share video content with colleagues, friends, or clients directly through email, making it easy for them to view without leaving their inbox. First, head over to YouTube by typing youtube.com into your browser. Once you're there, navigate to the video you want to share. This could be anything from a tutorial you found helpful to a promotional video for your business. When you found the right video, look just below the video player and click on the Share button. This opens up several sharing options tailored for different platforms. In the sharing menu that appears, you'll see a link displayed along with various social media icons. What you need to do here is click the Copy button. This action copies the video's URL to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need it. It's a simple but crucial step that ensures you're grabbing the correct link. Now it's time to switch over to Gmail. Open a new tab and go to mail.google.com. Once your Gmail loads, click on the Compose button to start drafting a new email. This opens up a blank email window where you can craft your message. Here's where the magic happens. Paste the copied YouTube video link directly into the email body by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac. After you paste the link, wait just a moment. Gmail has a neat feature that automatically generates a clickable video thumbnail below the link. This thumbnail gives your email a visual appeal and makes it immediately clear that you're sharing video content with the video thumbnail now displayed. Go ahead and write your message. Add the recipient's email address in the to field and include a subject line that clearly indicates what the email is about. This helps ensure your message doesn't get lost in crowded inboxes. Before sending, take a quick moment to review your email. Make sure the video thumbnail appears correctly and that your message reads well. This quick check prevents any awkward formatting issues or broken links. Finally, when everything looks good, click the Send button to deliver your email with the embedded video link. Your recipient will receive the email with a visual preview they can click to watch the video directly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.